Are you solidly relying on cash to safeguard your wealth? It's high time to rethink about your strategies as inflation and market volatility could be savings at a risk. So, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a topic that every investor will consider. In an era where inflation can erode savings, your savings value, it's best to consider the savings or investment alternative that are available. So that's why in today's video we're going to talk about the 6 assets that are safer than cash. The first asset is a government bond. A bond is issued by government. Bonds are issued by governments, and they are, since they are backed up by government credit, so they provide a fixed interest payment and return on investment on maturity, that is safeguarding your investment against any fluctuations or any market fluctuations that may occur. So a government bond is always considered to be safer than cash. Second asset is a certificate of deposit. With the certificates of deposit, they are offered, or there are time deposits that are offered by banks with fixed interest rates for a specific time. So the CDs or certificate of deposits are offered by banks for a specific time period. So the certificates of deposits are protected or are insured by the FDIs, meaning that whenever the bank falls, your principal or your investment is always protected. So certificate of deposits can be safer asset to consider or to invest in other than cash. The third asset is the real estate. Real estate investments can offer stability and great potentials, so they are safer than cash. Instead of you considering investing in your cash or thinking of saving your cash, why don't you invest it in real estate, whereby you will have a potential growth on your investment at a later time? While market fluctuations tends to affect real estate, but properties on the long term appreciate so in value. So it's always good to consider investing in real estate, since as time goes by, properties seem to appreciate in value. So your investment will not be in vain, other than when you had the cash, and then when inflation comes in or these fluctuations in market comes in, you'll end up incurring losses. So you should consider the real estate investment or the real estate asset as part of your investment, since it is safer than cash. The fourth asset is precious metals like gold or silver. So these precious metals have intrinsic value and are often seen as safe, having them during economic downturn. In case we go through an economic downturn, these metals like the silver and gold, they will always have their value intact. So you can mean to consider investing or buying such items like gold and silver to install money value in them. So since for them, despite the inflation that may occur or the economic downturn, that market fluctuations that may occur, their value will still remain the same. So these precious metals, they usually maintain their value intact, and then they can act as a hedge against inflation or market volatility that may occur. So it's always advisable, or it's always good for you to venture consider buying these precious metals, so that you'll be able to safeguard or protect yourself against inflation that may occur, or any current inflation that may occur in the economy. The fifth asset you can think of is the high quality dividend stocks. Stocks from well established companies that constantly pay dividends can offer a safe investment option. They provide a regular income and then tend to outperform cash at the long period. So high quality dividend stocks is one of the assets that you can consider venturing to, especially when you find out companies that are well established and then they pay dividend regularly to their investors. So you as an individual, you can mean to consider venturing into these dividend companies, so that at the end of the time, or at the end of the day, your cash that you've invested in the company will be safe in case inflation may occur, or in case any market fluctuations that may come in. So high dividend paying stocks, or high quality dividend stocks can be an asset that you consider as an individual. The sixth asset that you can consider is the savings accounts with high interest rates. High yielding savings accounts often offer high interest rates other than regular savings accounts. So the high yielding, or the savings accounts with high interest rates, are the ones that often offer high interest rates or yield high interest compared to the regular savings accounts that you may have as an individual. So consider or try investing your cash into these savings accounts with high interest rates, so that at the end of the day you'll get an income or a return from your investment that you have done. Especially maybe if you've considered the savings accounts, these savings accounts that offer high interest rates. There are also these high saving interest rate accounts are also insured by the FDIs, and then they are considered, you can consider them as the safer option for storing cash, with the added benefits of you earning interest at the end of the time. So since they are secured by the FDIs, no matter whenever you save in those accounts, in case of those, maybe let me say the bank collapsing, you will not lose everything that you had put in those accounts. You'll always have, the insurance companies will cater for you, like the FDIs will always cater for your money to a certain amount, and then this can be a safer asset that you can consider other than having cash at hand. So all these assets that we have discussed in this video, starting from government bond, certificate of deposit, precious metals, real estate, high quality dividend paying stocks, and the savings accounts with high interest rates, these are assets that are considered to be safer than cash. So you as an individual, you can think of which asset suits you best, and before even trying to invest or trying to venture into any of these assets, You should do your research. You should know more about the asset so that whatever interest, whatever, whenever it comes to you to invest, you'll be knowing the risks that are associated with it, and then that will put you into a better place of understanding your investment. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate when you like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that any information that will be dropped on this channel you won't miss out. Thank you.